What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I gotta say shout out to the good folks over at Harbor Freight. First of all, in Connecticut, now you have to pay 10 cents per plastic bag to save the turtles. Yeah, save the fucking turtles. Save the fucking, save my ass. I dropped the quarter, that's okay. Harbor Freight can have it. So Harbor Freight, you know, the good folks over there at Harbor Freight, they know that everybody shopping there on a budget. Ain't nobody trying to pay no 10 cents per bag. There we go. Next on the list. So I'm at the shop, it's 10 o'clock, just took a 5-hour energy and ate half of a freaking Snicker bar. Got wheels on the car, wheels on the bus go round and round. Gonna move my Subi, gonna park my Z over there. And this is the grand unveiling of the Z that's still not done yet. So here's the Z lowering to the ground. Absolutely exhilarating, this thing. Alright, so like I said, Z's over there, Prelude's dead center. A few very, very, very final touches. Just rounding out the quarter. Getting one more dent on the fender. Not even a dent, it's more of a crease. And I actually found last night there was a dent right here. So I gotta do that. And stock wheels are on. Time to start sanding and priming. Now here's where I switched to all the tripod shots because you boys gonna be busy, and yeah, so start. Now I get to use this on the lip. Very nice. My car is officially taped off to the extent that I'm comfortable with it being taped off. Obviously I can't do that great of a job over here, but there's no moldings here, so I'm gonna have to put moldings here, so I'm not worried about a little bit of paint going a little farther on some spots because it's all gonna be covered up. Headlights are taped off. The lip is sprayed with the friggin' adhesion promoter, as well as the side skirts and the rear lip. Oh man, you guys know what time it is now. Wax and grease remover, if anyone wants to know what I'm using, is this here. So I'm gonna wipe down the whole car with that, close the damn door, and get this spraying. Alright, there you go, guys. Color reveal time. I've looked at this so many times, it's not even like gonna surprise me. I mean, it might. I really like the color. It's perfect. And the reason I went with a color like this is because instead of mixing a bunch of flake and not knowing the measurements, I can always just buy this paint. It's $77 for the whole freaking gallon. And yeah, so if I break anything, you know, a lip, gotta repair side skirts, I get an addition, I get a new lip, something like that, I can easily, ooh, bloody, I can easily buy this, no freaking problem, and spray it right on. Dude, this paint looks fucking sick. Dude, I'm fucking bugging out, I never mixed it, there's mad fucking metallic at the bottom. Check this fucking shit. Is this still recording? Oh, god damn it. Alright, so I got this mixed 4 to 1 to half. There is hardener in this, so it's 4 parts paint, acrylic, enamel, whatever, single stage. Looks pretty dope. And then there is 1 part medium reducer, medium activation, because it's not that warm out, and a half part of wet look hardener. Alright, so for a super wet, or super dusty shop, I don't think it came out bad at all. So that's all you guys are going to get to see today. Obviously, I'm not going to unwrap it and do all that nonsense, but I will show you this. I did get a little bit of water in the line because, you know, quarter way in. Can't stop humidity, you know. And I did try. Gotta give me credit. I did try here, but you can see how that's pink. They were blue. They changed colors. Yeah, so that's that. I cleaned out the gun. I have some shit sitting in it because I have to spray the skirts and whatnot. I got a medium reducer, and I think I should have got a slow reducer. I'm not entirely sure. Obviously, I'm gonna end up cutting this because, you know, it's a single stage, and you can see, let me find the water spots where the water was dripping right there. See those little tiny dots right there? That's all easily sandable though. I'm not worried about that. Huh? Go fuck yourself! But come over to the back. Well, it looks way brighter on camera. Can I turn the brightness down? There we go, whatever. Yeah, so nice cut and friggin' buff. Nice wet sand cut. It'll be mint. But this is the first time. This whole thing, mind you, it's like I don't know what temperature it is. I don't care. It's not warm. I have 2 drips. Whole car, 2 small drips. All right. I got. And I ain't scared to show it. I got that right there, right? And I got that one right there. Not a single other drip on the car. That's good for me. I'm glad. This is the least amount of drips I've ever gotten in a paint job, and it's cold. Yeah. Odds are always against me, eh? But not too freaking shabby. Obviously, you guys can't really judge too much because it's in the dark-ish, and the wheels aren't on it and whatnot. But like I said, next video, you guys will do it. You guys will know. Quick editorial side note. Anyways, I have a high solid urethane clear. What I wanted to ask was if anyone has experience. Obviously, I'm going to look it up. But if anyone has experience putting a urethane clear over an acrylic enamel base, let me know. I've heard that it's fine, so I'm just going to do that. And plus, it's a high solid clear. It's a thick clear. It's a UV resistant clear, so it should make the finish very nice. Back to me rambling and ending the video. Yeah. I don't know. But I wish you guys could see this in person because it looks a lot better in person. I'm looking at it in the camera and like it looks okay, but it looks really freaking good in person. I'm hype. Alright, well, that's it. That's all you guys get. It's a tease, I know. Sorry, but just wait on it. Give me a couple days. You know, let me let the paint cure and hit it with that 1000 grit, hit it with that friggin' wool wheel and whatnot. We'll be good. Alright. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Subscribe if you haven't. Cool things coming soon. Side skirts and other thing I have to paint. I have just enough paint left. Bye.